Thank you. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen of the press corps, international and local. Thank you for your interest. We have had a renewed interest this morning, I believe. Everybody probably taken by surprise at the turn of events last night. But it is something that is not within our control at the moment, but we can engage activities that will redress, or for us, allow us redress of what the situation is. And the redress, I mean, is that we will convey our feelings to the Supervisor of Elections to say that we're not satisfied with the outcome after the break. After the glitch last night, before that, we were ahead in the count. When it came back on, when the systems came back on, there was a big change, not in our favor. It is only natural for people to expect the so-called offended parties to have the right to redress. And what we're doing this morning, we are writing to the officers concerned. The constitutional officers concerned are the Supervisor of Election. If we have to invoke a certain aspect of the Constitution, we can try and do that. And the constitutional officer that has the overall responsibility, according to the Constitution, is the Commander RFMF, and we will also be communicating with him. And also with the Office of the President as the font of authority, who gave everybody the authority under which they operate. As you all know, the President is the font of authority, the font of honor, and the font of mercy, and he exercises those three roles in his office. He dispenses, or he allocates authority to his officers, including the government, the Prime Minister, and the ministers, and he appoints officers in the constitutional, recommended by the Constitutional Officers Commission, and he is the one that also gives out honors and awards on award day during the year. So we will explore those avenues, and we will not give up, and we will continue to do everything according to law. I've also sent out a message to the people of Fiji to remain calm. There is no reason for us to agitate. Let us wait until all the causes for redress have been explored, and even after that, we just still want them to remain calm.